Siddharth Malhotra and Kiara Advani.
Okay.
I have an open kitchen, so bartan ki awaaz, and then Angad wanting to leave, and then Angad's like, I gotta go, and then I'm just like, no, you can't. So much frenzy once when we were recording. I forgot to hit the record button, so I have to like start the first 3 minutes again. And I was like, luckily it was 3 minutes, and I was like, wait a minute, have I done this? And I looked down in the mic. It was just like there has been no jahaj. Like right now, also you can't hear anything. Yeah. Just when we were sitting for our first recording, we said one takeoff, another takeoff. Like where are these planes going? People are not even flying right now. Everything is set, and suddenly she gets fascinated by this ring light that I use, and I don't know why she's so fascinated. She just picks it up and moves it. Like I'm fully ready, and I'm just like, I'm just going to go to the washroom for 2 seconds and then come back. I go to the washroom, I come back, and the whole house is dismantled.
So my guest today is someone who is not just an amazing actor, but is also a really fun talk show host. Somebody I have really enjoyed listening to. And what's even more interesting is that she's here to talk to us about the 5th season of one of the most awaited talk shows that we have, No Filter Neha. Joining me today is Neha Dhupia. Neha, welcome. How are you doing?
Good, thank you. It's so nice to talk to somebody who's actually heard all the 4 seasons. And right before we got into this conversation, you were like, I've heard these seasons, and I know because you're a filmy buff, and that moment that you described to me, that you're like sitting in a car headed to work, or in a cab headed to work, and you're just cracking up because you're listening to our show. That's what we want, right? We're doing well. To answer your question, I'm doing really well, and I'm doing better now that I know that we have a fan and an audience in you, as far as No Filter Neha is concerned.
100%. Now I want to start off by knowing how has this entire COVID lockdown situation been for you? Because I have been following your posts on social media, and from what I saw, that you were really having a good time with engaging in a lot of art and craft with your daughter, also with Meher, and a lot of things. You were doing something with the vegetables and painting and whatnot. So how has this entire phase been for you?
All I can say is, and that as long as you have your 3 square meals, you have your loved ones who are feeling healthy and happy, and you're home with them, and you're working, and you're safe and practicing social distancing and all the amazing ideas and ways of beating the pandemic have been drilled into our heads time and over again. If you're on that plane, then there's nothing to complain, right, Shweta? It's just like, to answer your question, yes, and having said all that, I'm just counting my blessings. I've got a little one at home who's innocent and asks questions and, keeps me busy. And then, of course, I spend the rest of my time, and Angad and me are busy with her, and just working our way around it.
Okay, so we're here to talk about the 5th season of No Filter Neha. I did see the promo, and you did talk about the guests and the show. Now, what's really interesting this time is that you have the home edition. So when I did get to know that you're coming back with the 5th season, I was really looking forward, and I was thinking that how are you going to, sort of make it work? Because usually you do it in the studio and you have your guests there, and it's like a fun conversation like that. But then I saw the promo, and it looks really fun. Tell me a little about this show, and also the fact that you're doing like this home edition. So talk to me a little about that.
I mean, the fact that I'm doing this show, firstly, when I called up Rishi Malhotra, who is, one of the co-owners of JioSaavn, not even for a minute was it like, let's not do it. He gave me the option. He's like, you are going to be creating the content for it with the team. You're going to be co-producing it. What do you want to do? Do you want to wait for lockdown to finish? Do you want to do it now? I'm like, no, we have something fantastic at hand. We've had 4 seasons of great conversations. The world can do with a little bit of, laughter and some great stories from their favorite celebs. So why not bring it out now? And it's been intense. I'm not going to lie to you. This work from home culture, as much as people say, we're sitting in our pajamas and working, it's like you're on call all the time. It's not work from home. Your office has moved into your house. Right. So, the truth is that there's so much that you need to actually get done. And then you have a toddler running around. I mean, I'm not saying that, oh, I would want it any other way. No, not at all. Would I want it any other way? No, I'm really happy we brought out a season. Was it tough? Yes, it was much harder than any other season. Was it fun? It was way more nourishing than anything I've ever done, because I was just like, 2 months ago, we were having this chat, and then we spent 1.5 months, doing prep and recordings, and here we are. We just launched. I can't believe it.
Another thing that I want to know is that now that we have this edition that you're doing from home, were there any issues that you had to face, technical issues, network issues? And because when you're shooting in a studio, a lot of those things are sort of done because the respective teams are there to work. But then because you're managing everything, being the producer, what was that like? Were there
are you kidding me? There were so many issues. There were like so many issues from like, because we always live, and I've said this earlier also, we live in these, overpriced, undersized Bombay apartments, and I have an open kitchen, so bartan ki awaaz, and then Angad wanting to leave, and then Angad's like, I gotta go, and then I'm just like, no, you can't. And then suddenly my toddler, like my Meher, just comes out, and she said, mama, and now she can speak, hold the mic and say No Filter Neha season 5 into the mic. I have an audio clip of her saying that. Or like, everything is set, and suddenly she gets fascinated by this ring light that I use, and I don't know why she's so fascinated. She just picks it up and moves it. Like, I'm fully ready, and I'm just like, I'm just going to go to the washroom for 2 seconds and then come back. I go to the washroom, I come back, and the whole house is dismantled. It's dismantled to another level. So everything, like I've had, you can't imagine what kind of faux pas I've had in the middle of all this. There was so much frenzy once when we were recording. I forgot to hit the record button, so I had to like start the first 3 minutes again, and I was like, luckily it was 3 minutes, and I was like, wait a minute, have I done this? And I looked down in the mic, it was just like, so yeah, it's crazy.
So we're gonna do something fun now, Neha, since the show is called No Filter Neha. I just have some few quick questions. I see that face already.
I've been through this so many times.
Yeah, so it's fine now. You're a pro at this now. You don't have to be.
I'm a pro at avoiding. Watch me.
No, these are very basic questions, and I'm sure that you're gonna have fun answering them. You could talk about the guests from this particular season, or the show in general. That's completely up to you. Okay, first of all, a celebrity that you would want to interview and have your show, have him or her on your show, but you haven't had the chance to do it yet.
Oh, Shah Rukh Khan.
You're a really big Shah Rukh Khan fan, right? Yeah. Oh, that conversation would be really interesting. What would you want to talk to him about?
Just tons of stuff. Shweta, I say it all the time. We never actually bring out so much as to, because I don't have a journalistic approach towards a conversation. I'm not somebody who's here to make news. I'm here to sort of share stories, or bring about a little bit of laughter through my conversations. So my approach is very different to a conversation, and I'll always try and bring out like the human side of everyone, which is very concealed by their professional side. So my approach is that to every chat that we have, like even with Kapil and Saurav, it's not like we're talking cricket. We're talking everything: family, life, what it was, what are they up to now, or for instance, Rana, like the conversation with him was very little about his future projects, but a lot about how cool his wedding was, even in the midst of lockdown. There are lots of details in the conversation. You must listen.
All right, that sounds interesting. Okay, the second question. Who has been the person you've been most nervous to interview?
Who have I been most nervous to interview? I mean, Farah and Karan, because they have like their own shows and they know what it's like and stuff like that. So the two of them.
Who has been the most honest person that you've interviewed?
One of the most honest interviews, now that I think of it, and my most favorite ones, was the late Rishi Kapoor Saab. He was on season 3 of No Filter Neha, and by far my heart fills up with joy every time I have to talk about what a great conversation I had with him and what a great storyteller he was.
The wittiest interview that you've done over the years?
Harbhajan Singh, without a doubt. Harbhajan Singh. Like, I have laughed to a point where I had tears, and I was like, I think a week away from delivering my baby. Like, I almost felt like big movements in my stomach. Like I was almost 9 months. Like I was 38 weeks pregnant, and I remember interviewing Bhaji, and I had to tell him to stop because like I laughed so much I started crying.
I remember it. Okay, the most diplomatic guest that you've had.
Siddharth Malhotra and Kiara Advani.
Okay, that's interesting. Kiara Advani, you have her on this season, right?
Yes.
Okay, so that's another conversation that we're looking forward to. Thank you so much, Neha. It was really fun chatting with you about the.
Thank you very much.
And I'm really looking forward to it. And I hope that we get to chat again very soon, and not like this. Definitely, in person, and
Absolutely.
some other amazing projects that you might be having.
Thank you so much. It's going to be wonderful, and I wish you all the best. And wherever you are, stay home, stay safe, and don't get bullied by the work from home culture. It's too much to take in. Initially, I was all for it, and now I'm just like, everybody needs a break. So I wish you all the best, and thank you. This interview was lovely, very refreshing.
Thank you so much, Neha. All the very best.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.